Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Today I'm going to present our research which has title The Face Mask Detection for Preventing the Spread of COVID-19 at Polytechnic Negeri Batam. I'm Santo and our team member are Febri, Rizka and Ika. We are from Barelang Robotic and Artificial Intelligence Lab, short as BRAIL. We are in Department of Electrical Engineering, Politeknik Negeri Batam, Indonesia. Here is our outline. Firstly, we are going to introduce you about our research and the hardware design, and we will explain the face mask detection method we are using, and we will show our experimental result, and lastly we will do conclusion and future work. Our motivation is the coronavirus is known as COVID-19 already spread in a whole country in the world. Firstly found in Wuhan, China, and now they are always increasing the number of COVID-19 cases, not only in Batam but also in every country in the world. To stop this outbreak spread rapidly, we have to do a prevention was wearing the face mask. However, the people, a lot of people avoid to wear the face mask with a much excuse. It is very necessary to develop device which could detect people unwearing face mask and give them warning or give them detection in many area or in crowded area. Here is our first related work. As we know that Santo and friend that did detection of ball and goal pole. Actually, this object detection method used inside of their robot. They use YOLO or sort of you only look once. That method is deep learning object detection real time that run in Linux OS and using NVIDIA Jetson TX1 controller board as a computer or as a device. And here is the second related work. Currently, the state of art of object detection is YOLO version 4, with optimal speed and accuracy has been developed by Alexi and friend, and adding some universal feature such as WRC, CSP, and many more. As we see that the YOLO version 4 has fastest detection and also the better accuracy. Here is our problem statement. Firstly, we are to do this to distinguish the face mask wearer and unwearer face mask. Second one, to develop the face mask detection in real time with the high prevention and accuracy. And the last one is the to design a simple device which able to move everywhere it needed. Here is our hardware design. As you see that our design consists of firstly is in- on on the top is a camera webcam, usual camera webcam. We can use it, and this one is the monitor as show the result of detection. Actually, behind the monitor, it has a computer which compute the deep learning to detect the object of face mask, and this structure is for support the whole component inside. And our specification we hope is compact design and real-time application. It can bring everywhere, not only in our lab, and then able to detect face mask in range up to 5 meters. And here is the fast detection method. Actually, the method is quite simple. Here is the camera. Camera send the data of image to the computer with has GPU or graphic processing unit is mandatory because uh, whole calculation of the deep learning did inside of this GPU, and inside of the computer we create the algorithm with face mask using deep learning neural network. And here you can see that our stage, firstly, input from the webcam has a range about 1920 times 1080, and then send to the backbone or darknet. We call it darknet 53. That is first layer, second layer, third layer, and fourth or top layer. So here is doing the convolution to reduce the load of uh, calculation, and then we follow the next. Actually, if you know, the deep learning is quite similar. However, it add a neck, or we call it PANet. So from here we doing the convolution again here and here, and then for the prediction we use the YOLO version 3, and then uh, as we can see we can detect many objects, and we send to the spare prediction, or we are using faster CNN. Here a whole system of our system that actually is quite similar for the usual deep learning. However, in YOLO version 4 is has the neck and dense prediction, and we we send the result to the monitor and speakers. Here this experimental result of our project is the real-time detecting. As we can see, if the user didn't wearing the mask, it will sound to wear the mask. It did with various of people. So the system already proven that can detect every type of people wearing hijab or not, and then use glasses or not. or use like we can see here is he using
Wih, jadi pakai
jacket and
maskernya.
still can do very well.
Aduh, mana maskernya?
uh, this is for the real-time application. Here we can see the type of masker
Gunakan
is
masker
different
yang
than before and still
ayo, mana
can detect
maskernya? Terima kasih.
the system. Here the crowded people and now detect
Sis, dipakai dong
multiple
maskernya.
people using
Terima
a
kasih.
mask. Here from a side of wearing the mask it still can detect it, so the system is quite work well. And here is the distance is for 2 meter, still can detect very well, and 3 meter also detect very well, and 4 meter also, and the fifth, the black mass is undetected. So is the our experimental result. And lastly is this our conclusion. This device already installed in Polytechnic Gibraltar in real-time application to avoid spread of COVID-19 in the campus area. And the second conclusion is from this experimental result, the algorithm able to detect, distinguish on non-wearing and wear mask precisely with any condition of environment surrounded. In the future, we will add the thermal detection on this device to help the guard work easier. Furthermore, this device is hoped to be installed in other crowded area which is a needed face mask detector. Um, these are the last our presentation. Thank you very much for your time and listening our present. Thank you.